Welcome back to the Crypto Report, everybody. I am Crypto Kip. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. I am going to be talking about the truth in regards to altcoins. I'm going to tell you guys exactly what you need to know about altcoins in this video and the things that people may or may not be telling you when it comes to altcoins. So let's just dive right into the charts here to get her started. Looking at the crypto market cap today, we are now officially below $1.2 trillion today. And I am dollar cost averaging in the market, as should you be, because that is what we want to do. While the markets are tanking, we better be banking our money in crypto. At least that's what we think here at the Crypto Report. Let me know what you guys think in the chat comments down below. Now, what coins should you be buying if the markets are in fact going down, and what if they continue to go down? Well, let's talk about altcoins and what you need to know about them. So when you look at the markets as of late, let's look at the last 7 days here, and we're going to do this together. We're going to scroll down. Bitcoin down 1%. Over the last 7 days, Ethereum is down 10%. Okay. Looking at Binance Coin, actually holding on pretty decent right now. Ripple down 6%. Cardano 10. Solana 16. And the list kind of goes on here. I mean, 2% for Dogecoin. They had a pump today because Elon Musk tweeted about Dogecoin today. Polkadot is down over the last 7 days. If you go through here and you'll look, wow, it's a lot of red for altcoins. Now, there's exceptions, but they're far and few between. And if we drew this out and we looked over the last 30 days, you'd see even more red for altcoins. Altcoins are bleeding. Well, how do I know that? Bitcoin dominance, ladies and gentlemen. When you look up at the top here on CoinMarketCap, you can see there's a Bitcoin dominance in the market of 45%. Now, for the most of our videos, we've had a Bitcoin dominance of 40%, and we had an Ethereum dominance of about 19%. Bitcoin is gaining traction against Ethereum, and it is gaining significant traction against the other altcoins. If you look at the value of the altcoins, any altcoin really you choose, it is losing value versus Bitcoin. Clearly losing value versus the US dollar right now, but definitely losing value versus Bitcoin. And so that's kind of what we're going to talk about here in this video is, do we like altcoins? Yes, we love altcoins. We talk about them all the time. It doesn't matter if you're talking about an exchange token like FTX or Crypto.com. It doesn't matter if you're talking about a metaverse play like Sandbox or like Decentraland or Zilliqa's Metapolis. It doesn't matter if you're talking about a smart contract play like you could consider Ethereum an altcoin. We're not, for this purpose of this video, we're not going to consider Ethereum and altcoin. I do consider Bitcoin and altcoin kind of the two top coins personally. Let me know what you think in the chat box down below. But even the Ethereum competitors, we're going to call, altcoins, right? Solana, Zilliqa, Polkadot, Cardano, whatever it might be. And what you're going to notice is that in times of trouble, in panic markets, you're going to see Bitcoin dominance climb up. And you're going to see Ethereum lose control against Bitcoin, but still not lose as much value as some of these other altcoin projects. When it comes to finding a safe spot in crypto when the markets are going down, the fact of the matter is, traditionally, if you look at the history of Bitcoin, it is always the safe place to be when it comes to finding a safe spot for your money. Now, altcoins are great, and I do like altcoins, but if you're trying to buy a lot of crypto on the way down, your dollar cost averaging in, it is my belief, it is our belief here at the Crypto Report, that you do want to be stacking up Bitcoin and Ethereum for the meantime, primarily Bitcoin and Ethereum as well, because when the markets start to turn around, well, you've done a great job dollar cost averaging in, and the markets won't have lost the value of whatever you're investing as bad as it would have if the markets were going down when you were in an altcoin. And you can just see that when you look at some of these prices of these projects. Bitcoin used to be, I'm going to pick one out of the blue. So Bitcoin used to be at 69,000, right? Now it's down to 28,000. That's about a 60-ish% correction. Okay, well, let's look at Cardano. If you look at the all-time high for Cardano, it went up to $3. And now it's sitting at 46 cents. So if it did what Bitcoin did, it'd be sitting at like $1.30 or something like that, $1.20 maybe. It crashed more. It's at 46 cents. It had a much more significant crash than Bitcoin, probably about an 80% correction. When you look at Dogecoin, the peak of Dogecoin was almost $1, I guess, right? So this isn't showing it for some reason, but the peak of Dogecoin was about 70 something cents, and it's all the way down to 0.07 cents. It's 7 cents, which is about a 90% correction. So Bitcoin's had about a 60% correction, but when you look at some of these other projects, they've had about over a 60% correction, right? Anywhere from a 70 to 90 to, in Terra Luna's case, 100% correction. So the moral of the story is, yes, we like altcoins, but in times of chaos and peril in the crypto markets, where's your money best off? The honest answer is probably in Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now, well, Crypto Kip, Bitcoin's so expensive. It's not about the price of the project. It's about the market cap. It's about the volatility of the project. And it's about the percentage gains, up or down, right, at the end of the day. So let's say you were sitting in Avalanche over the last 7 days. You got crushed by 20%. But if you were in Bitcoin, well, you're just still hanging on to that 30K area. So my strategy right now is to accumulate Bitcoin and Ethereum. Am I avoiding altcoins completely? No, I am not avoiding altcoins completely. But 90% of what I'm investing in right now in crypto is Bitcoin and Ethereum. The other 10% is some of the other projects that I think might pop when the markets resume an upward movement. In the meantime, we're in a very, very interesting time of uncertainty, and these markets are crashing. Ripple's down to 38 cents. Cardano's down to 46 cents. Solana's down to $41. So even your favorite altcoins are getting hurt right now. Am I telling you to sell your altcoins if you're holding Solana or Cardano or Ripple? Absolutely not. I think if you're already sitting here, you hold on and you look for a time to dollar cost average in. But if you're really looking to dollar cost average in the best place possible, your best bet for now, for safety purposes, is probably to go into Bitcoin and then Ethereum and then some of the other top projects, but focusing on that Bitcoin. Now, eventually we will reach a bottom. Do I think we're there yet? Honestly, I do not know. I do not know if anything is true with these crypto markets about these 4-year cycles. If the 4-year cycle reflecting the Bitcoin halving, creating a bullish event, and then it crashes, and then we resume the bull run after 4 years. If that is true, then we're going to continue bleeding. If that's not true, then we could go up at any point. And a news story, for instance, Dogecoin pumped by 10% today. Now, it came straight back down because the markets are hurting, but a tweet by Elon Musk moved Dogecoin. So you never really know what kind of event might move the markets. And this 4-year cycle, as we know it, could change at any minute. But I want to urge you guys to resume buying crypto with caution when it comes to altcoins, because I want you guys to make money. This isn't financial advice. This is just a guy coming to a couple folks out there, and we got a team, and when we do agree here on the Crypto Report team that we're better off in Bitcoin right now than we are in altcoins. Again, I don't want you panic selling. If you had Dogecoin at 70 cents, there is no point in panic selling right now. You should hold on tight, and you should refocus your new money towards probably Bitcoin and Ethereum, and splash into those other projects that you like. Little splashes, right? And if all of a sudden one day you want to put a little bit more, fine. But don't overdo it on your altcoins right now. There will be a point where the whole markets come back. And when that happens, here's the other thing I'll say about altcoins. These altcoins will explode again. And so if you're looking to get filthy crypto rich, altcoins are your horse. But if you're looking to lose your money quick at a downward trend, altcoins are also your horse. So we got to be strategic. We got to be keeping an eye on the latest content we'll be bringing to you. Anybody else out there in the cryptoverse, right? We got to make sure that we're staying up to date with projects. We got to make sure that we're not just ignoring crypto because it's boring and the markets are going down. These are your opportunities, guys, to accumulate the crypto that you thought was too expensive before. If you thought $69,000 Bitcoin was too expensive, well, you got a 60% discount. If you thought $200 Solana was too expensive, well, you got a 75% discount. If you think that Dogecoin was too expensive at 75 cents, well, you just got a 90% off discount, and maybe you'll get some more. But we got to keep an eye on these markets, guys. I don't want you getting greedy with the altcoins because I want you to make money. Pigs get fat, hogs get slaughtered. We love crypto, but we don't want to YOLO into projects that, frankly, are just going to bleed more than Bitcoin if the markets continue to go downward. And if you want to argue against it, I'd love to hear anything in the chat comments down below. I'm not saying that Dogecoin is going to crash or that it's going to continue crashing or that it's not going to pump back up. I'm going to say there's uncertainty right now. And I'm telling you that if it does continue to go downward, I believe, and history has shown, that these altcoins, Dogecoin, Polkadot, Tron, doesn't matter, are going to bleed badly, much worse than Bitcoin if Bitcoin continues to climb downward. So far, we've seen Bitcoin hold a really sturdy floor right at $28,000, $30,000. When you look at the last year, I mean, we've had the last month has just been flat here, and we're kind of creeping down just a little bit. So there could be a chance where if we go sideways long enough, who knows, maybe we bounce. But if we don't, I want to make sure that I'm protecting myself. I want to make sure you guys are protecting yourself. And if you're buying crypto and if you're buying Bitcoin, like you should be, when the markets are bleeding instead of everything's green, so we're buying when it's green, you want to be careful, but you want to choose what your dollar cost averaging into strategically. It is our belief here at the Crypto Report that yes, you have to keep an eye on the altcoins. You have to stay up to date with the latest and greatest on altcoins, and we will continue to bring that content to you guys because it is important, and that's how you make the buku bucks in crypto. But you also make the buku bucks by being smart, staying steady, and DCAing into the king of crypto, which is Ethereum. And if you want to invest into the queen of crypto, the king of crypto, Bitcoin. And if you want to invest in the queen of crypto, Ethereum, then that's not too bad of an idea as well. I would advise, consider looking at Bitcoin with a little more intensity, a little more fiercity when it comes to where am I going to put my new money I'm putting into crypto. That is all I got for you guys today. I want to keep you guys aware. I want to keep you guys up to date with what we're thinking over here, given the current trends in the market. And that is the scoop for the day. That is all we got here. I am Crypto Kip, and this is the Crypto Report. Don't forget to smash up the like button and subscribe to the channel, guys. If you like what you're hearing, leave a chat comment in the box down below. We do want to hear your opinion here. And always, do not forget, guys, DCA, hodl, and we will see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.